Hello friends, today I want to discuss about our upcoming 6th semester mechanical subject, name is Robotics. Okay, so when we heard the name Robotics, so many questions arise in our mind. Okay, but wait for some time. I want to discuss actually what is actually robotics, and I want to give you a small flavor in robotics. Okay, in this semester actually we want to know this is general robot structure, then general definition, robot modeling, robot actuator and drive system. This is one of the main topic in this robotics. Then sensor, another very important topic. Then forward kinematics, inverse kinematics, robot control, robot programming. Okay, this is very important thing about the robotics subject. And robot with external sensor and robot application in manufacturing industry. Okay, then this is so many picture. You just see this is a humanoid robot, this robotic hand. Then what is actually robotics actually? So robot is a reprogrammable, multifunctional, sensible for environment. It's a electromechanical devices. Okay, just keep in your mind electromechanical devices. Okay, not only pure mechanical, not only pure electrical, not only pure electronics. So it's a mixed devices, all object. Okay, so now slowly I entering the depth of the robotics. Okay, in previously we have seen this type of manipulator. Okay, then leg robot, that means it walks just like an animal. This wheel robot. Okay, in some movies, in defense industry, you see this type of wheel robot. Okay, then autonomous underwater vehicle, it actually used in many defense industry. Okay, and Indian security or our security purpose also it has been used. Unmanned air vehicle. Okay, then what can robot do actually? Okay, and why actually the robot used actually? So decontamination robot, that's been cleaning the main circulating pump housing the nuclear power plant. So when the job is very hazardous and dangerous, okay, human being cannot do that, and it's really a challenging work. Then think that if some object we actually develop, it can do that. So then this type of thing actually come. So then this actually the original use of robot. Okay, robot cannot replace the human being. In nowadays the one thing about that, if robot will come, job will be destroyed. No, nothing. Okay. Then repetitive job. It is very boring, stressful, and labor intensive for human being. Okay, so welding robot, it's a repetitive job. So why human being actually engage in that type of job? If robot can do that, so obviously our productivity will be increased, accuracy will be better, and actually the human being required for controlling that. Okay. Then manual tasks that human don't want to do that. Suppose a toilet cleaning. If you see that picture, toilet will be cleaned by the robot. Okay, Obviously, human being cannot do that. Then, history of robotics. Okay, very important thing. In any subject, when you know the new thing, okay, obviously know the history also. Okay, 250 BC, the Saxenius, ancient Greek engineer and mathematician, invented a water clock which was the most accurate for nearly 2000 years. Okay. Then in 60 AD, the hero of Alexandria, okay, designed the first automated programmable machine. These automata actually came from the Greek word automation, actually came from automata, where made from a container of gradually releasing sand connected to a spindle via a string. By using different configuration of this pulley, it was possible to repeatedly move a state on predefined path. Okay, so first Alexandria discovered human being can be replaced with the help of some mechanism, and the name comes robotics. Then 1250, the Bishop Albertus Magnus, 1640, then 1738, 1804. Day by day, the robotics actually developed. Then first 1898, the Nikola Tesla, the first radio control submersible boat was invented. Okay. In 1921, the term robot was first used in 1920 in a play called Arivar. What is the full form of? Rosium Universal Robots, by the Czech writer Karel Čapek. Okay, Karel Čapek actually used the word robot. The man makes robot, then robot kills man. Okay, it's very simple, but no, this is not true. Many movies that follow continue to show robot as a harmful. Okay, but robot comes from the Czech word robota. Okay, the word robota, which means servitude, not harmful. Servitude. The robot actually invented to serve the human being. It's not very harmful. Okay, not harmful also. Forced labor. Okay, it's a forced labor. Then Rosium Universal Robot. The robota Czech means simply work. Robot as machine, the reasonable people work tirelessly and revolt against their creators. Okay. Then day by day, the robot actually developed, and if you see, in 1957 launched the first artificial satellite Sputnik 1. History of robot, turtle robot, Sputnik 1. Then 1960, the industrial robot created. Robotic Industry Association state that industrial robot is a reprogrammable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move material, parts, tools or specialized device through variable program motion to perform variety of tasks. This is actually the definition of robotics. Why? By what? The RIAS, Robotic Industry Association. Okay, so the defined industrial robot is a reprogrammable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move material, parts, tools or specialized device through variable program motion to perform a variety of tasks. Okay. Then also in 1961, 1962 to 63, some sensor is applicable. Then 1965, 1966, 1968, 1969, day by day, the robot actually developed and so many model has been came. Okay, in 1970, 1971, 1971 to 1973, 1972, this. Then comes Puma and SCARA robot. Puma and SCARA robot. Programmable universal machine for assembly. Puma. What is the full form of Puma? Programmable universal machine for assembly. Okay. And in 1979, SCARA, selective complaint articulated robot for assembly. Okay. This is the basic difference between Puma and SCARA. Okay. Full form of Puma and SCARA I just discussed right now. Okay. Please keep in your mind. It may become in your exam also what is the full form of Puma and what is the full form of SCARA. This is Puma robot. If you see, so many joint, so many link is there, reprogrammable, P can place this type of job can be done by Puma. And SCARA, large reach, actually the largest job can be done by SCARA robot. Okay, some screwing, tightening the nut, etc., etc. In 1980s, early 80s, 1977 to 1983, 1980s, 1984 to 1991, 1986, 1988, so many development has been going on. Then there is also then Lunokhod 1, Intel 404, RD, R2, D2, C3PO, Azimo, Sojourn, Lego Mindstorm, this type of development actually going on in robotics. Okay, Sony AIBO, Sony QRIO, MQN Predator. Then 2002, 2003, 2004, 2010, NASA and General Motors joined force to develop the Robonet 2. Okay, the newer version of NASA humanoid robot. Okay, sending to astrospace. Then this is the history. Asteroid, Mars explosion river. This. Should robot look like human? Anthropometric or humanoid robot actually needs for this basin also. If we fix the artificial intelligence, okay, it can perform look like a human being. Strong and precise articulated arm to accomplish tasks that are performed by human, articulated robots or manipulator. Manipulator is a one kind of robot, okay, articulated robot. Fear they will replace human labor, but it totally true. Okay. So robotics is a multidisciplinary field. Okay. It mechanical, electrical, and computer, all the discipline is required concern primarily with manipulator, mobile robot, design, dynamics and components of actuation. It is part of mechanical. Then concern primarily with robot, actuation, electronic interfacing, computer and sensor and controlling algorithm is in the part of electrical. And then concern primarily with robot, programming, planning and intelligent behavior actually under the computer science department. So if we mix these three departments, then the robotics actually came. So this is actually robot? No. some video, we just provide the link, you can see that. Okay, so this is the end of my today's lecture. Okay, the basic of robotics.